we are out here. Lamont, Darius.
Yo. Yeah. Yeah.
So as y'all see, we're doing rotors. So I'm assuming these rotors have been on the car for the full 100,000 miles that the car has been a car. These puppies are worn out. We didn't even do that. You can see the wear. It's pretty bad, pretty bad. If I would like brake aggressively and do a little bit of spirited driving. Now, I know the rear has nothing to do with it, but it would, wobble, and that's not fun. So, your boy got some freaking Akibonos. Super happy. Lamont felt the difference. So they advertise that these are in total like 50 pounds lighter for all four rotors compared to stock. And you could literally feel the rear and feel that rear, the OEM rear. Yeah, feel the difference. Lamont forgot. He was like, his reaction was hilarious. I wish I could have actually had it. But yeah, nah, these are definitely worth it. Hopefully I could do a performance video today or tomorrow. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, man, definitely worth it. I just got slotted. These are 2-piece Akibonos. And yeah, Lamont's doing the rear. The install is pretty simple. I'm gonna have them. It's pretty much a normal rotor job, honestly. So I'll still have them explain because of my fellow Q60 people that may not work on it or whatever. But yeah, so let us get to it. All right, boys. So almost done. This is the last one, and this thing is beat up. So much wear and tear on this. This is over 100K. And then that's brand new. Kid you not, there's an easy weight difference. This one's way lighter. Again, Akibonos fronts. So I'm doing all my supporting mods first. That way they're out of the way. I don't got to worry about nothing. And since the Red Sport, for all my Red Sport guys, since the Red Sport already comes with the big brake kit, they literally just bolt up. You don't have to buy the Akibono brake calipers or nothing. They just literally, bolt right up. A rag and the spray. Yeah, okay. Got you. But yeah, no, there's a very, very big difference. These are going straight to the garbage. And then yeah, these things are beat up. Like, look at that. So I'll get y'all a video when it's all done and completed. Nigga Lamont think he funny. He playing with my OCD. I had to show y'all this. So for me,
he didn't notice.
I didn't notice until he pointed it out, and I was looking at the wheel and it looked wrong, but I just couldn't point it out. So the way I had it originally, it went with each other. The way he did it, this is technically crooked to these. So it's really killing me now that this clown.
You're welcome.
God, man. Oh, technically, by the time this video comes out, they would have seen it if they follow you. So can I show them?
Sure.
Guys, it's painted. Now, he still got a clear coat. He still got
Another coat of paint.
Yeah, another layer of paint. But the idea is there.
That is that working in between your days off.
Yeah, because he actually have days off now. But yeah, we're about to go on a little test drive real quick. Cause oh Lord. Cause I'm about to go on a test drive real quick. Well, see, told you. But yeah, we're about to go test this out, see if there's a difference. Probably toss these over the weekend, probably like Sunday, Saturday sometime. Because these things are heavy as hell. So I'm ready to get rid of those and they're not getting sold. I know you can, what is it, resurface the rotors? Yeah, you can resurface them and make them brand new again, but they have over 100K. And I still got my stock struts for my Q. No one's gonna buy stock rotors for the Q.
This all belongs to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's all. Oh,
No. You may need that. You may need that. Mr. I'ma fuck with the Mari. That was a good joke, though. That was a good little prank. He knew that shit was gonna fuck with me once I saw it. All right, guys, let me help clean up real quick because he's still gotta go, and we got a show tomorrow, so I'm gonna record that, and we're gonna go from there. See, dang, you want the 19 back?
Can you move the jack at least?
Yes, I can move the jack at least. Oh, and I gotta pump the brake.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so give me. That's what I tried back here. All right, I'll be right back, guys. I will say they're amazing. Brake power, obviously, way better than usual, but than OEM, and you can actually feel the difference in the steering wheel on how, like, the weight. Not the weight, but what's it called? You can feel the difference in the lightness of your steering rack, I guess I would say, because of this, the rotors. So, yeah, man. Sheesh. So worth it. Peace out, guys. My next video probably will be us at Clean Culture. So that's tomorrow. Unfortunately, can't take both cars. I wanted to so bad, but it's just impossible. I'm not paying the gas prices to fill up 2 cars, you know. And yeah, so peace out. Like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you guys think. I definitely think the rotors are worth it. For the Red Sport, boys. For the guys that don't have the Red Sport, you need to get the big brake kit, which will come with pretty much the rotors and the actual calipers, which are just Red Sport calipers, realistically. I don't know if they're like 4-piston or whatever, the Akibonos, but from my research, they're literally the exact same as the Red Sport. So, all right, guys, peace out. To make this quick clip before I end the video, it's not 50 pounds. I don't know why I keep saying 50. The rotors alone saved you about 30 pounds. Altogether, 30 pounds altogether. 15 in a, it's about 30, 40 pounds. It's like 15 in the front and then 10 or 5 in the rear with the Akibono rotors. And the Tomei is about 31 pounds, 32 pounds lighter than the OEM, give or take, because I also deleted the metal bar that goes with your exhaust. So technically about 32, maybe a little bit more lighter because of just that bar alone. That metal plate is like heavy, but that's probably a support brace. I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and catch you on to the next one.